All right, we're gonna try this top thing.
It's a manual hard top, soft top. So.
Took everything out of here.
Yep.
So much for my little bags.
We're gonna find a way to fit it back. You gotta kind of push it down, okay?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you can be a little bit aggressive.
I felt it. It snapped. Did it snap in or just no?
No, I think that's...
All right. Here, this will fit in the hole. Now, my big bag's not gonna fit, so you'll have to hold it.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll put my coat back there.
Okay.
No, I think, never mind. I think I'll wear the coat. Where's your coat? You're gonna want it.
Eh. All right. I'll leave it. Sit on it.
All right, let's close it.
All right. Make sure it's snapped in. No, that's not snapped. We gotta open it back up, be a bit partial on it now. All right. There we go.
All right, kid. There you go.
Customary bubble wrap that we're gonna keep in the car. So, that all said, this is gonna be fun.
Think so?
Brandon, when's the last time you've been in a car with a soft top to put down?
All right. Grab that bag when you get locked in.
Yeah.
I like being able to grab here to get in.
You're gonna have a lot of fun.
All right, what's our next move on the directions?
Oh, we're gonna put my phone.
Just a crazy truck.
Yeah, hold up. I'm trying to find.
Okay.
Can you call it?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Never mind. Don't call it. All right. So the next. Oh, we gotta get on.
We gotta get rid of that.
We gotta get on 166 for 4 miles.
You need to clean that when you get a chance soon. That's nasty.
Yeah, we
Before
got.
he had
Okay,
his thing.
so yeah, can we? So it's just 166.
4 miles.
Put your window down.
Okay. All right, we got a full tank now. That's good.
That's a dynamic, loud noise.
We're gonna turn right here.
Yep, turn right here.
There's the sheriff. We're gonna be nice and easy.
And now he's gonna follow
He
us.
went the other way. You ready?
All right. Yeah, my dad was right. I'm gonna need a hat for this.
Gonna need a what?
A hat for this.
Huh, yeah. 4 miles, huh?
Yep. And you're gonna turn left onto Jonesville in 3.5 miles. All right. What do you think?
I think that's a lot of fun. And I'm actually in 5th. I didn't even know it. I got there without realizing it. Oh, okay. Huh. And I don't think we broke the speed limit, did we?
I don't know if we did. I wasn't checking.
The app will tell us later, I guess.